How to replace a sink tap. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Either when replacing an old tap or installing a tap on a new sink, fitting a mixer tap takes just a few minutes. You need a mixer tap with flexible hose connectors and 2 rapid olive compression joints. You will need a spanner, an adjustable spanner, and if you need to drill holes for the tap, you will need a drill and a 35mm hole cutter. Assembling the mixer tap. Attach the flexible hose connectors to the base of the mixer tap. Also attach the threaded fixing rod. Installing the mixer tap. Place the tap seal on the base of the mixer tap and feed the flexible hose connectors through the hole. Add the bottom tap seal, the half-moon washer, and the nut onto the threaded fixing rod. Check the mixer tap is in the right position and tighten the nuts with the spanner. If you need to drill a hole for the mixer tap, you should use an electric drill with a 35mm ceramic hole cutter attachment. You can connect the hot and cold water supplies with rapid solderless joints. Just make sure you clean the ends of the copper pipe thoroughly with wire wool. Slip the male to female joint and seal over the end of the flexible hose. Place the fixing nut and the compression olive on the copper pipe. Make sure the copper pipe is fully inserted into the joint before tightening it with spanners. Normally, you have the cold water tap on the right, the hot water tap on the left as you face them. Beautiful to look at and very functional, a new mixer tap is an attractive feature in your kitchen.